Well, the first thing everyone says when they walk in is, wow, because it's so different from how it was before. And you walk in and you just see this big open space, and it's just very comfortable and inviting, I think, for people.
The layout of the kitchen, the way it's designed gives us the opportunity to cook and clean up and serve in a way that I never thought we could do it. And it really makes a difference. Cutting boards are right there, easy to move. Everything's at arm's length.
Right from the very beginning, our project manager was very communicative with us. He laid out the whole schedule of, for the 2.5 months of construction, and they stuck to that schedule day by day. And it was amazing to me that everything just flowed, and people came in, the subs came in right when the day they were supposed to come in.
Again, that sense of trust, and trust comes from communication and the daily reports and being able to get together and talk things through if there was an issue. We established trust, so it really felt collaborative, and that made a world of difference. One of the things I noticed is that Danny and his whole crew had a sense of design. They'd always do what we asked, but usually their suggestions were very sound and helpful. They gave us a proposal, again, I said earlier, detailed, and they followed through. Will they be able to give you a good sense of what it's going to take, what it's going to cost, and will they be able to follow through? They did. And that's the highest recommendation I give.
So if we were to do another construction project, I would absolutely use Ardan again. It really was a great partnership.